So I decided to purchase my ticket to this event because I've worked with Kurt before in the past, and it was super effective, and I really wanted to go deeper on some of the strategies that I've learned from him. So my expectations into this event were to get a lot of clarity on the strategy that I've been running with Kurt's strategy, and really to network, and Kurt has a lot of really cool people that I want to learn from, and so I knew that they may be popping in, so that's how come I came to the event. So I have gained from this very first day that taking action is the most important part in your business, and Kurt definitely goes deep into the strategy, and then taking action is like what he's all about, right? If you've met him, he has a ton of energy. So yeah, so we took action today, built some stuff out in our business, and I'm excited for what we are going to be doing tomorrow.